We bring the truth up close and personal through police body cam footage, exciting car chases, road rage outbursts, disturbing and chilling discoveries. Nothing gets you closer to the scene than the camera placed right on the officer's uniform. This is Cams Don't Lie.
Stop hurting me. No, come on. You're hurting me. You want to have shoes on.
Okay, they're gonna come in the back of this car.
9460 was
Yeah, me too.
You are.
On June 10, 2021, in Parma, Ohio, police and animal control received a call and discovered a disturbing scene inside the car of a suspect. Here's what happened. Police body cam footage shows us a police officer knocking at the door of a suspect. He receives no response and pulls out a tool used to open locked doors. The police officer noticed an animal inside the locked vehicle.
Okay.
No, he's not moving. He's down there.
The police officer is trying to open the driver's side door from the outside. He's using a long and sturdy metal wire to reach around the rear door and get to the handle of the front door.
Yeah, send me another unit.
Okay, I just have the ammo warrant on the way. 550.
He got the car door open. The vehicle's owner is happy to hear the news, but what they will find inside will turn their moods right around.
Clear dangerous.
Oh, okay. Just here, you gotta get your dog, hon. That animal's dangerous, kid. You have to. The animal warden's on their way here.
I'll be there.
What they found inside the car was the woman's pet dog. It was left overnight inside the woman's car. The dog, according to the suspect's claim, was not moving and was on the car floor. Animal control services have arrived at the scene to assess the situation and secure the dog. It's not possible that the dog will have a chance to be resuscitated due to having been left in the car for a whole night. The cop called in the experts to handle the situation.
Oh, it wasn't my fault. The car was running and it died.
Here, come back here with me, okay?
Hang on.
She's gonna take
I
it.
need somebody to help. Arrest her, the damn dog.
The other car doors would not open. It appears that the woman left her car running overnight to try and accommodate the dog inside. However, sometime during the night, the battery died. Now, due to the dead battery, the dog was locked in, with the only exit being the driver's door being opened too late.
Please don't grab me like that.
Hey, relax.
Please don't grab me like that.
Stop her.
Yeah!
Okay. Stop.
It hurts. I'm not running, dude. I'm not a bad person.
The officer is detaining the suspect for what she did to her pet dog. She tells the officer that she is not a bad person and she actually checked on the dog during the night.
You are. You act like I'm a criminal.
You have anything on you?
No.
Sit in the car.
I have no underwear on.
Okay. Do you have anything on you?
Ow.
Is there any females working at all?
Police detain the suspect in the back of their vehicle while they go back to the scene to figure out what they can do for the dog. A neighbor passes by and asks the officer about what is going on. The officer politely asks the bystander to back away if he is not involved in the situation.
Just have you step back there, please, okay? Thanks.
What do you say?
Nothing. Just, can you do me a favor? We're investigating. Thank you. What's your social?
The officer tells his partner that he suspects that the suspect may be on some form of drugs. Her behavior doesn't seem normal to him, both during the arrest and for what she did to her dog.
Alright, that's Casey Wise. She's 31 Valid North.
Okay. Casey.
The officer asks the woman what happened to leave the dog inside overnight. The woman explains that her parents leave for work early in the morning, leaving the dog inside the car. She further states that around noon, she took the dog out but put him back inside the car while still leaving it on, leaving the car keys inside the vehicle. However, as time went on, the car battery went out. The morning after, the woman called the police regarding the lock on her vehicle and the state of the animal inside the car.
Alright, that's more than I need to know. I'm gonna go. Can you just stay here with her for 1 second? I'm gonna go talk to her real quick and then
The woman explained to the authorities that she left the dog in her car because the house would get too hot, exposing the poor pet to risks of heat stroke if it was left inside. The woman was going out on personal business, so she thought the best course of action was to leave the dog inside the car while it was running.
Is there a history with her, I'm assuming?
I don't know. There's 3 of them.
Okay. That's why I wanted to talk to you to make sure that I'll be...
Yes, take her to jail.
The animal control officer is on her phone, clearly distraught by the situation. Earlier in the encounter, the animal control officer berated the woman for her negligence. Now she is recovering from her emotional outburst and insists that the officers put the suspect in jail.
I think somebody else is on the way, but it's a shitty way to start the day.
The police officer enters his vehicle and continues to ask the suspect further questions. He asks the woman if there is anybody else inside the house, which there isn't.
He's the owner of the dog? So are you the other part owner?
As they sit in the car to contemplate about the situation, we'd like to take the moment and advise everyone a word of caution. Don't leave your pets inside your vehicle. Situations such as this may occur, leading to the death of your beloved companion. Aside from heat stroke, the pet could suffer carbon monoxide poisoning if they are left inside a running vehicle parked for a period of time.
It's fine.
While waiting for additional personnel to contain the situation, the police officer and the suspect share a moment of silence for the catastrophe that happened overnight. The officer asks the woman if she has any children, to which she says yes. Let's hope that the poor dog is the last victim of such negligence and abuse.
Well, you just said that you're...
What's that? I'm sorry.
Did you say you're going through your woman period?
Yeah.
So I'm assuming that you're not pregnant then?
No.
Do you have any medical conditions or anything?
The police officer returns to the scene and speaks with the animal control officer. He tells her that he plans to take the suspect back to the precinct and properly detain her. However, the woman wants to see immediate action from the authorities.
Cruelty, the A3, I think, or whatever.
Allow me.
Okay, okay. Do you want me to just, like, start the ticket or anything, or is that, I don't know.
Is that a felony now? I don't know if they both got it.
It got her? I don't even know what that is.
Take a shipping, right? That's for permission. I want to go in there. There's kids drawing.
Right now, there is nobody else in the house aside from the suspect being detained in the police vehicle outside. The suspect's children are currently residing with her mother for the time being.
No one else is home right now? Where are they from? At first, no one else is inside that? Are you cool if we clear to make sure no one else is inside?
Police then confirm with the suspect if there really is anybody else inside the house. they searched the household to know for sure. In the end, the suspect was charged with cruelty against her companion animal. However, she did not plead guilty and is currently out on bond while awaiting trial in the County Court of Common Pleas. This has been Cams Don't Lie, bringing you the truth up close and personal. To keep yourself updated on the scene, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and ring the notification bell. Cams Don't Lie, reporting out.